We host almost weekly webinars on estate planning, and part of that campaign includes text messaging reminders. Someone who registered for a webinar, signed up, attended, got a reminder, said they said stop, but our systems had no proof of that, neither did the carriers or anything, and like 2 days later I got sued. And so this whole very scary situation created a big turmoil for me, for my family, just trying to deal with it. I've never been sued before, and even as an attorney, it was, a lot. We were nervous. It's, I think, a natural thing to be nervous. And so it was very emotional, it was scary, and so, we had to focus because you have no choice. I first wanted to make sure I had the firm that has handled these types of cases before, because they are their own niche, I guess, within business litigation. We saw how the approach of how they handled this particular case and their pleadings and how they worked, and that is what gave us the confidence, plus my personal background knowledge. Like, he's a stand-up guy, I know him, and so that together is why we decided to hire Brett's firm. Christian is the exact type of attorney that I like. If I ever get sued and someone needs to defend me, that's the type of lawyer I want. If I had to describe him in a few words, like, he's the right type of legal bulldog that you would want on your side. Right away, Christian just kind of came in and reviewed everything, asked us a few questions, and he goes, he gave us a strategy that I felt very comfortable with. Like, oh, he's got my back. He's gonna get this done as quickly and as painless as possible, and also as cost effective as possible. Even as a lawyer, I didn't know anything about this. I didn't know, how serious this really was, because it could get really serious. It's super scary, the types of damages that it could have knocked us out. And so that part was scary, but the outcome was so surprisingly amazing. Couldn't have gone any better, because the case was dismissed. I was thinking I was gonna have to throw some money at it to make it go away, just because of the nature of this type of predatory filing of these types of lawsuits. But ultimately, the bulldog came through and made it go away. And really quickly. As an attorney who has their own law firm, and being a client, I was very much, I felt like I was being taken care of. I felt like I was being communicated with. Their systems and their protocols really just matched up with what I try to do for myself and my clients. But on the receiving end, I felt like I wasn't just another number on their file list. I would definitely recommend Trembly Law Firm to others. I already have. Having the right firm on your side, and then the right attorney is can make or break how it plays out. The last thing is there's always something to learn from every hard situation, every challenge. Learning how to make your systems better, learning how to, buffer your business from future litigations, maybe having better insurance next time depending on the risks that you're dealing with, will make you a stronger business owner, in the future.